Hi everyone, I'm doing a different type of unboxing. Today I am doing my iPhone unboxing, and then I did also get something from Hermes, so we'll do both of these unboxings. We'll do the other one first and then we'll get into this. So here they are. If you know Hermes, you already probably know what is in here, but that's the ribbon. Here's the box, and ta-da, they are a pair of shoes. And if you guys have these, please let me know how you're styling them. Send me inspo photos. But they are these loafers right here with the gold Kelly buckle. If I could take it off. Ugh. It has this really nice felt protection cover on it. It's got this really nice felt protection over it. So this is what the shoes look like. They're the chunky version. There's a more traditional. They're actually pretty comfortable. They're just a little bit on the heavier side. I'm a true 7 and I got these in a 7.5. And they are the suede with the black. And I just thought it would look really cute for the fall. So hopefully I can style them accordingly. Again, if you guys have any information or outfit inspos, just send it to me. I'll link all my channels down below. Okay, for this one I did pre-order 2 items, and there's a sticker on this and I want to take that off. Okay, so I did pre-order the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, as well as the phone case in Starfruit. Is that what this is called? There's no name on it. Starfruit, yep. These are both the phones. I'm excited to unbox these and open it. Let's do a little ASMR unboxing. I just did a Reels and I couldn't figure out how to put this back on in the case, but here is the colors. The box and the actual color is pretty true to it's a pretty accurate description of what the color would be based on the box, so that's really good. It has the bump out for the camera lenses right here, so that's really nice. It has some paperwork, and then this is on this module of a phone, so you can see how it looks. It is MagSafe, adaptable and capable. This color is really cute. I figured it would look really nice with the phone that I did select, which it's right here. Again, I already did the Reels for it, but this is how the box looks like. So nice. I did get it in the 1 terabyte, and ooh, so nice. Oh, I put it in upside down, but this is the phone. Let me show you the accessories it came with first. So it came with the braided charging and also stickers, or not stickers, but manual for the phone. Here's the charger. It does not come with the adapter, which they haven't released the phones with the adapter in a while. So this is the beautiful desert titanium. It's in person, based on the videos that I've seen, it looked more yellow gold, but so I'm wearing like a rose gold watch, and this is pinker. It's definitely undertones of pink, so it's very much a cool tone, and it's very much rose gold and not yellow gold. At least holding it in person and seeing it in real life, it doesn't look like yellow gold. It to me looks rose gold. So beautiful. And again, with the phone case that I picked, That's nice. And then, ooh, this is one of the, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this case because you guys can already see like things are getting on the case, and that's gonna bug me. But here's how it looks. A feature that Apple has been raving about is the camera control button, which is this feature right here. Oh yeah, it is a flush button. It's a capture button, so that's pressable. And these other buttons is similar to the 15 Pros where they are raised, and this one is just more flush. Let me compare with my existing phone. Here is my current iPhone 15 Pro. This is also 1 terabyte in the white titanium color. There's, I don't know what this is, but this is a bit more shiny, I would say, and the new titanium seems to be more matte, or maybe it's just because of the different color. But this is the comparison. Again, I went big or go home this time. So this is the 15 Pro, and now I have the 16 Pro Max, because my ultimate deciding factor is the battery storage capacity, or battery life, I should say. Capacity, storage wise, they're both in 1 terabyte. I haven't used this all up, but if you guys know me in real life, I take a lot of videos and photos of my kids. They're doing a lot of extracurriculars and sporting events, so I'm the designated mom photographer, videographer. So yes, this is, I have a pretty small hand, and this is how both phones look on my hand. I would say it feels comfortable. The 16 does feel comfortable. Now, could I use it with one hand? I could, but it is a little bit harder, so I did buy MagSafe pop sockets, so I'm just waiting for those. I prefer pop sockets with my phone. Ooh, look at this. So the sticker is coming up, and that's just with the phone cover right there. So I am interested how it would look when I have a screen protector on as well. But yeah, this is the new phone. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please follow me on all my socials. I will link them down below. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!